Hello everyone, friends! On Kala Waller. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Lego account. Go to any browser, write to Google, create a Lego account, go to the first tab. That's it. And accordingly, a tab will open here now. There will be a button to enter yes and become a participant. That's it. And enter through the service that is convenient for you, well, kind of convenient for you. Or you can choose, fill it out yourself. Yes, I'll log in, for example, through Google. After logging in via Google, I write my nickname here. Click Next, then fill in this information, respectively, the country or region and date of birth. Next, I'll enter here, yes, there are special fake names and surnames for the video, and come up with a password for ourselves, and click Create Account. After that, you can use this account to log in. That's all. Waller was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.